Today I have some very special guests. This is Carolina. She's holding 3-month-old Junior. And this is Julissa. And they grow a garden in Compton, which is in the Los Angeles area. I have just learned that she was first inspired to grow a garden from my videos on YouTube. And I'm so excited. We can meet in person and they can visit my garden. We have been putting this visit off for about a month now, yeah, because of my shoulder. Every Sunday my arm was killing me. And so today she is here and she has brought me some gifts from the garden. What do you have in your hand, Julissa?
Eggs.
And where did those eggs come from?
From my chickens.
And do you know how many chickens you have?
No, because I didn't count them.
Okay, but obviously if you've got a dozen eggs, she's got more than 3 or 4. How many chickens do you have? 10 chickens! That would be exciting. Tell me about this planter.
I did it.
You made it?
I made it.
Oh.
With wood.
And you made the cuts and then screwed it together?
I made the cuts.
Do you have a bunch of these at home that you've made for yourself?
Yeah.
That's lovely. Not that I need them, but she brought me tomato seedlings. And also there's a gift behind me that I'm dying to tear into. It says, "Happy birthday." Shall we take a look? Oh, I love it. You know, I don't have anything like this. This is good. You're going to see this a lot in my videos. Oh. Look at this. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Thank you so much.
Flowers.
Oh wait, inside here there are passion fruit. We have to have a talk about passion fruit because I really just do not understand this fruit. Do you harvest them when they fall off?
Yeah.
You just wait till they're on the ground? And then you'll have them on the counter till they look like this?
You have to wait.
And then you cut them open and it's all gooey inside. Also inside the bag, she has pepper seeds for me. Pepper and sorghum. Oh my goodness, that's interesting. But what I love is she's got her own little design for the name of her garden. Carolina is JMC Garden on Instagram. Thank you so much for this. And you're going to show me how you did that. So
my husband did it.
He did? When I send out seeds, it's just like magic marker written on the package. What do you have on the other side of you there? What did you bring me? Now you grew this in your yard?
Yeah.
And how long have you had a banana tree?
2 years.
She brought me bananas, eggs, seeds, seedlings, a planter, and a birthday gift. It's an embarrassment of riches.
Cuando vamos al jardín y cortamos nuestros tomates.
How important is it for you to feed your children healthy food?
I love when they eat straight from the garden.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And composting, I have worms.
Great.
For worm casting.
You have a compost pile?
Compost pile, the chicken poop.
Yeah. Right. So did your husband or you build a big chicken coop?
Yeah, my husband and I built the chicken coop.
What do you enjoy about the garden, Julissa?
Because I like sunflowers, tomato, cabbage, kale, and I help my mom plant plants.
That's wonderful. The ground in LA is not great. And that's an understatement, right?
Pure clay.
It's pure clay. It's hard. It's
yeah.
You know, I mean, worms can hardly live in it, right? So you started amending all that, and
I put mulch, like in your videos. Every time I heard the truck come by.
That's what I said. That's what I said in my video. Every time you hear the chipper in the neighborhood, run out and see if it's a decent kind of tree. We are going to go inside and she's going to go through my seeds and see if there's anything that she would like. And we'll take a little tour of the garden. Would you like to plant something?
Yes.
What could we plant? Here's one for you. And let me mix this up a little bit because it's kind of, if Eric was here, we would have him do this properly. Let's get the right size. Let's put this inside gently so it doesn't tear. Put a few spoons of the dirt in here. And then I've got some good dirt too. We'll use a little bit of everything.
This is all size.
That looks good. And you got some coffee? Get some spoonfuls of this. Get a big one. There you go. Okay.
Everything that we know about planting.
Yeah, we have to say everything we know about planting. I want to plant something that I know is going to come up. And I've been planting these baby lima beans for 3 years now, and I know that they're going to come up. So why don't I hold them? I'm going to tell you what, I'll make the hole and you put the seed in, okay? Okay, so I'm going to do this. And you drop a seed in each hole. Okay? And get the biggest seeds you can. Perfect! Great job! I like to pinch it closed. I like to go like that and pinch it. Can you do that? Good. Want to do all of them? Beans should be planted an inch to a half an inch deep. Okay, now we just need water, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, get mommy to assist. Okay. See, it's like a rain shower. And we're using rainwater. So it's a rain shower, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, so we're gonna do a little seed swapping. And she's going to go through my seeds and get a bunch of stuff. So tell me what this is. This is another gift she brought me.
It calls Tamarillo, a tree.
Oh wow, and you have this in your yard?
Yeah.
Wow. And you planted this in the last 4 years?
Yeah.
And it's fruiting?
Yeah.
That's insane. Well, I can't wait to visit her place. So there are some envelopes, and I'm going to get you a pen. And you're going to take whatever you want in that container. There's some beans here. I've got all my chili peppers over there if you want chilies. This is all my, succulents and cactus and everything because I do like those. You can't eat them, but I like them. And then over here I have mint and I have strawberries growing.
I don't like
Milkweed. You don't like mint? Let's go over here. See my lemon tree? The problem is there's no leaves on it. They don't feel very big. Oh! What happened? It's so short! Oh! Well, if that one's not ready, the rest of them aren't ready. How's it taste? Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Please give us that thumbs up and we'll all just wave goodbye, right? Everybody will please give us that thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.